Hello, friend.
Some subscribers and guests of the channel were distrustful of paper filters, which I use in my handmade masks and respirators. Therefore, I decided to show a comparative filter test, in which 3 different factory masks and a filter of 2 paper towels were tested. This machine simulates human sneezing and provides stable parameters of a water-air mixture. The machine is charged with plain water. At an air pressure of 4 atmospheres, the speed of an airborne droplet in the nozzle area is about 80 miles per hour. This is how the filter is charged into the testing machine. Although all the masks were similar in appearance, they showed different results. Worst of all was mask number 3, and best of all was a filter made of 2 paper towels. I wish you good health, friends. Subscribe to the channel if you like the video.